Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2017 300 Series C. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Harman Kardon Audio Group, Safety Tech Plus Group, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat, black leather with perforated insert bucket seats, transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 70 wheels, 20-inch. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.